My name is Amit Kamath and we are learning Tableau Module 9 working with the calculations and expressions in a Tableau. So calculation syntax and the function in a Tableau. What are calculation? Calculation allow you to create new fields from the existing data. Example, profit ratio, discount percentage, yearly sales, customer categorize. So Tableau calculates syntax, calculation syntax like basic syntax is sum of sales, sales minus profit, profit divided by sales into 100. If a statement is if sales is greater than 1000, then high, else low, end. Step to create calculation. Open a Tableau. Already we have a Tableau open and global superstore data uploaded. Right click data pane and click create calculation field. Enter the formula. Click OK. Example. So this is data pane and here we can right click here calculate field. Even we can create one analysis and create calculated field. Now give the name of calculation like profit ratio, again equal to profit by sales. Apply. Okay, so profit ratio is created here. Click OK. Then we have so this is if condition. We can use all type of calculation in Tableau. String calculation used for text manipulation. Common function is functions left, right, len, upper, lower. Example, upper customer name. So it will convert all the customer name into uppercase. Okay, let's do it in Tableau. Go to analysis, open create calculated field and upper. Upper underscore name. Upper and here customer name. Apply. Okay. Now we have a uppercase. If you want to check, drag this into the row. See, all the letters are capital. Then we have number calculation. First is string calculation, after that number calculation. Even though we can use left, right, len, so left is taking the left word from the three words from the left hand side. Let's try this. Analysis, calculated field, left underscore name, create left, and then choose name or anything, whatever you want. I'm choosing customer name, comma 3. So it take 3 from the left hand side. Apply. Okay. Now it's created here. If you want to see, just drag and drop into the rows. Okay. So 3 later from the right hand side. Same way, right lane lowercase, like that. So first is string calculation. After that, number calculation. Used for mathematical operations like sales minus profit, round, square root, power, these things. So use round sales comma 2. It will round up. Or sales minus profit. So it will give you the cost price. So let's create a cost price. Go to create calculated field. Now writing cost price. How to find cost price? Total sales minus profit. Profit. Fine. It will give you the cost price. Apply. Click OK. Now you get a cost price. If you want to check the value, drop it to the rows. Okay, like this. Or if you want, if I put into the column, and subcategory, like this. Round. If you want, you can round the cells. Just drag and drop back to the data pane. Round. Use round. Go to the analysis. Create field. Round the round cells value. Round cells. That's all. Comma 2. Apply. Click OK. So we get round the number. Again, drag and drop into the rows. You will see the sales amount, or if you want, you can use this one. Okay. Then third is date calculation, used to analyze time-based data. Function is year, month, days, date name, date add, date if. How to use? So I'm going to use date add, month 3 order date, add 3 month. Again, throw this back and go to the analysis tab, or right click here. Anyway, analysis tab, create field. Now I want date add. Date add. So date add, fine. I want month, comma 3. comma, order date. Done. Apply. Okay. Add date is here. Now if you want to visualize, I'm going to use line chart and using maybe sum of sales, sum of profit into the column, and so we get a graph like this. Year, add date, fine. After that, we can go to the fourth one, that is aggregate calculation. How to use aggregate calculation? Used to summarize data like sum, average, mean, max, count. So how to create it? Again, I'm going to open new sheet, use analysis tab or right click here. See, calculated fee, but I use analysis tab to get this formula. I want aggregate calculation. Just copy the name or just leave it. Sum, average. I want to find average. Average of sales. So AV average sales. Say okay. We get an average of sales here. Now, if you want, you can category into the columns and average sales. Average of sales is here. Fine, we get it. Then you can find max or mean. So let's throw back this data. Let's suppose max. Go to the analysis tab, create calculation, max of profit. Okay, formula is MA, max of profit. Apply. Okay. Now max of profit category into the columns and max of profit into the rows. Got it? Max of profit category wise. So this is for aggregate calculations. So you can find mean, average, sum, count, everything. After that, we can. Fifth one is logical calculation used for condition like if statement, case statement like this. So let's try for if. So if profit is greater than 0, then profit, else loss, end. Let's create this. Go to analysis tab, create calculated field. I want if statement or maybe profit or loss, profit loss. Profit or loss. If profit greater than 0, then profit. Else loss. End. That's all. So we get profit and loss. So if I use, let's suppose, profit or loss subcategory, into the column, or okay, fine, no problem, and profit and loss into the rows, loss, profit. If I put some data, maybe sales into text, okay. Same way we can create case statement, and we can find one or two. So this is the fifth logical calculation. After that we have seventh, sorry, sixth one, table calculation. So perform it after Tableau aggregate data. Example, running total, moving average, rank, percentage of total. So how to find? Example, running underscore sum, so sum of sales, drag sales, right click sales, quick table calculation, round running total. So year, order date, let's go to the new page. No, order date, quarter order, month order. Again, order date, one more order date. Now first is year, quarter and month. Year is okay. Now let's change for quarter and then month. Created. After that, sum of sales, into the text. Fine. So we get all the values like this. So drag sales, right click sales, and running sum of totals, running totals, quick table calculations. Same we find here. Now, level of the details. Short form is LOD, level of the details. What is level of the details? LOD expressions allow calculation at different level of granularity regardless of visualization level. Type of load, fixed load. Calculate independent of view. Syntax is fixed region sum of sales, meaning calculate total sales for each region, create calculated field, enter fixed expressions and drag into the visualization. How to do that? So create this fixed reason sum of cells. So go to the new page, analysis, create. Now fixed load. So calculation total cells for each region, cells by region. Regions. I just copied the this formula, fixed region sum of cells. Directly copy or you can type it. Okay, apply, say okay. Now create calculated field, enter fixed expression, drag into the visualization. Region, cells per customer, sum of cells. Region, cells per customer, or cells by region, cells per customer, sum of cells. So this way we can visualize the data. If you want, you can add label. Now we can easily visualize the data. Okay, so region by cells. Touch this. Central region, north region, south region. Fine. Even though we have fixed sum, if subcategory equal to table, then cells end. So we can use this formula also. Second is include load level of the details, lower level. So add more details. Syntax is include customer name, sum of sales, meaning calculate sales including customer level. So here lower level, new page, analysis, calculate, then just copy this, apply, click OK. Now category segment include statement like this. Category, where is the category? Category, segment, average include statement. What is the name of this? Lower level. So we get the graph like this. If you want, you can put segment into the color. So you get three colors, different colors, and three categories. Same way. If you want, you can activate the data label. See, all the data are visible. Same like this. Furniture, office supply technology. Furniture, office supply technology. Okay. Then we have third, like exclude LOD, higher level. So remove details like syntax is exclude subcategory sum of sales, meaning ignore subcategory while calculating. So this way we can create measure name, reason, and like fixed reason, average sales. So just let me take the name, higher level. Go to new sheet, analysis, calculated field, and what is the formula? Fixed reason, average sales. Apply. Okay. Now so this way we can arrange this. Measure name, reason, and the measure name. Measure name is higher level here. Reason, got it, and measure into the text. Okay. So this way we can get the graph. So LOD expression syntax is general form is this. We already used this. Now nested LOD expression. So LOD inside another LOD. How to write this? This is the example. Fixed reason, average fixed customer name, sum of sales. Use cases, average customer sales with each reason. So average customer sales or sales each region. Sales each region. I'm copying this formula directly. Sales each region. Use cases, average customer sales within each region, and aggregation and the replication with the LOD. So sales each region. is the reason. Okay, each region cell. So data level, fine. Now aggregation. So return summarized value. Example, fixed region, sum of cells, replications. So let's replicate the values. I'm going to give name aggregation. Okay, now find this aggregation, and our formula is fixed region is to sum of cells. Apply, click OK. Now we get aggregation here. Okay, customer region and the region cells. Customer, I think customer name should be here. Customer name should be in a row. Region, and after that region cells. So I'm going to use this one, aggregate into, can I put here, or maybe put here. Fine, this way we get it, or into level. Fine. Then we have quick table calculation. So what are quick table calculation? Pre-built calculation available without writing formula. So available options are, calculations are running total, difference, percentage of totals, calculate rank, moving average, year, total day, date, compound growth rate. So how to use this? Add measure, right click measure, quick table calculations, select required calculations. Okay, see, so sum of profit and sales, go to new page, sum of profit and sales, sum of profit into color, and sales into text. And date, order date, this is year wise, and state, straight into the rows. So we get it, but this is blurred. Let me remove the color, make this black. Still not coming. Remove this into text also. Okay, so now it's visible. Fine. Due to color, it's not visible. Now it's visible. Now create calculated field. Step is drag pin, right click, create calculated field, enter name, profit margin, write formula, click OK. So practical example, profit margin is like this. Go to the new page, analysis, create field, profit margin. Now profit divided by sales into 100. Apply. Okay. Now here we get the profit margin. If I put this into the row and let's suppose subcategory into the column, so we get like this. Or we can create sum of sales category. If sales is greater than 1000, then high sales and low sales. Already we have seen year extension, year order date. Now quick LOD. So what are quick LOD? Tableau can automatically generate LOD expressions without writing syntax. Step to create a quick LOD method is select a dimension, right click, choose create LOD expressions. Method 2 is drag method, like drag measure into the dimension and Tableau create fixed LOD automatically. Example, dimensions, region, measure sales. So let's try and generate LOD like this. So go to the new page, region, after that sales, okay, and generate LOD. Generate already fixed region by sales here. Benefit of quick LOD is faster development, no need remember syntax, reduce error, use of dashboards. Okay, so we get like this. If you want, you can uh, create like this region, sales and sum of sales. If you want, drag one more sales here and average sales is automatically converted into two part. So this is all about this module. Okay, so module 9, working with the calculations and the expression in Tableau. Thank you so much.